Today I'm going to be going through and doing a cube tower solve, which is just essentially you take most all of your Rubik's cubes and you scramble them up and stack them on top of each other. I have them in no particular order really. See here, I have my 2x2, which is on top, and 4 of my 3x3s. Basically, all these cubes, I'm going to go through and systematically solve each one. Put aside any doubts or wonders you might have. I have pre-scrambled these cubes in no particular order, so I did not scramble them up and memorize the way that they were solved or anything. This is completely legit. I'm going to just go through and solve them all. Or I'm going to attempt to. So, here we go. Alright, starting with the 2x2. Done. 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 There we go. Last one. Done. There we go. Alright. I'll show you. I stacked them all over here. So, all done. Whew. There you have it.